There are many ways to invest and earn a passive income in this modern age. Everyone chooses the one that they deem fit for them. One of the many ways to earn a passive income is through crypto trading. But how can you really earn a passive income through crypto in 2022? Stay tuned to find out. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to have a look at some of the ways that you can earn a passive income with crypto. Before we continue, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. And with that out of the way, let's get started.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
During the early days of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, most traders waited to buy when the price was low and sell when it was high. Right now, the crypto ecosystem has seen a great increase in financialization, bringing about the different ways in which users can earn a passive income on their holdings. There have also been major developments, such as staking and lending, which give crypto holders the chance to earn additional returns in addition to the potential increase in the price of their holdings. However, just like the traditional financial system, there are also risks involved with the different methods of earning passive income on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a large number of other crypto assets. Before you invest in crypto for that passive income, you should first take some time to understand the risks that are involved in the various areas of decentralized finance, or DeFi, and centralized finance, CeFi. There are various methods of earning passive income with crypto, but the returns will entirely depend on which method you use and the amount of crypto you start with. However, you should know that there is no guarantee that any of the crypto strategies will deliver any returns. Most of the people who are more likely to generate a large return from the various methods are those with large amounts of crypto. It is entirely up to you to weigh out the options and understand the risks of each method to find out which one works for you. The main methods of earning passive income with crypto include lending and borrowing. Other methods include running a node, mining, or staking coins, which are more technical. The first method that we will have a look at is staking. There are various ways of doing this, the first one being staking with an exchange. One of the simplest ways to start earning passive income is by looking at the various options for staking cryptocurrencies on various exchanges. For someone who is still new to the world of crypto, the best option would be to use centralized exchanges. This is because centralized exchanges are able to remove all of the complexities that are bound to come with staking crypto assets on a decentralized exchange. Just to remind you, or for those who are new to this, staking is a key aspect of cryptocurrency that mainly operates on a proof of stake or POS, instead of a proof of work or POW. Most of the crypto users who use POS stake the underlying crypto token associated with the blockchain network to mine new tokens. This is different from using the specialized energy-intensive hardware that is used in POW systems such as Bitcoin. Users who stake their crypto holdings as part of the consensus process always earn a return, which is denominated in the same crypto as staked on the network. These tokens could mostly be newly generated, collected as transaction fees, or both. Since the POS crypto systems can become pretty difficult to understand fully, most of the exchanges and crypto financial institutions offer users a chance to stake their coins on their behalf. Given the fact that you will pay these centralized institutions an additional fee for their added convenience, it is totally worth it in most situations since they are simplifying the entire process for you. However, it is important to note that staking through a centralized custodian throws out the key principle of decentralization, which goes against the whole purpose of the creation of crypto. You can also decide to perform staking with a wallet. Staking with an exchange is the best option for a beginner in trading crypto. But if you are looking for higher returns and more control over your crypto assets, staking with a wallet is the one for you. Staking with a wallet allows you to interact directly with a POS blockchain network. You also get the chance to eliminate the middleman who will charge additional fees. If you're a little more technically inclined as compared to the average person, you should really consider staking your crypto assets through your non-custodial wallet. But before you do this, you should understand the level of responsibility that this option comes with. If you choose this option, you will be in charge of your private keys linked to your crypto holdings. Staking was mainly created for securing various blockchain protocols, and it has been the new way to earn a passive income. However, there are more traditional ways of earning a return from your crypto assets. One such way is by allowing others to borrow your crypto assets for a certain period of time. Think of it as lending or loaning someone your crypto assets. The ability to gain returns from lending is actually widely available in the larger part of the crypto ecosystem. There is also no need for a coin to be attached to the POS consensus protocol in order to earn a return. This makes it possible to earn a return on Bitcoin, which is not based on the POS. In the crypto industry, borrowing and lending are not so different from the traditional financial world. However, the returns that are available on these sorts of interest accounts are mostly higher than those available in legacy banks. As you would expect, the risk here would be much higher than at traditional banks. In addition, these services are centralized, meaning that they run antithetical to most of the original cryptocurrencies. When lending your crypto, the amount that you earn as returns depends on three things: the total value of the crypto being lent, the duration of the loan, and the interest rate. If you have higher rates, longer loans, and larger loans, you will definitely have more income from the interest paid by the borrowers. You will sometimes find that those earning their passive income this way get to choose the terms of their loans. However, you may also find that a third party is the one who negotiates the terms ahead of time. Another way to earn a passive income from crypto is by cloud mining. We have all heard of mining crypto. To mine proof-of-work cryptocurrencies, you would require a substantial investment in computing hardware, along with the necessary technical knowledge. If you do not want to go through all that, you can opt for cloud mining contracts. This is basically renting hashing power from an already established operation rather than setting up a whole new mining rig. You must pay a set amount of money when you purchase cloud mining contracts to obtain this. These contracts will allow you to receive a certain hash rate for a certain period of time. The contract owner will receive new coins depending on the size of the contract. However, one thing to note about this is that there are a lot of cloud mining scams right now. So if you are interested in starting cloud mining and prefer to go for the cloud mining contracts, make sure you do extensive research and make sure that the company offering these services is legit. You can also opt for interest-bearing digital asset accounts. A couple of service providers offer people the option of depositing their crypto and earning from it. You may think of it as a savings account, given the fact that traditional cash savings account returns have been so low over the past few years. Most people, especially investors, are opting for this option. All you need to do for this is to open an account and deposit your crypto or stablecoin, depending on what you have. You may find that they have a lockup period, whereby users are restricted from accessing their funds for a certain period of time. Once you deposit, you can now earn interest on your crypto. Some of the stablecoins that have the best interest rates are the US dollar coin or USDC and DAI, D-A-I. If you are thinking of venturing into crypto for a passive income, these are some ways that you can. Which one would you like to try out? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, before you go, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. As always, thanks for watching.